Hello everyone, we will see how to get started with the H3 Plus energy trip unit. When applying voltage for the first time, the two connected displays start automatically. First step, you can customize the viewing on the embedded energy display. You can adjust the display orientation with this joystick. Validate with a central click. Then, the contrast can be adjusted, and the standby mode can be activated or deactivated. Once this is achieved, you can access the main menus. Next step, the maximum value of the long time delay current IR can be set with the adjustment dial IR Max A on the right. The selected value is displayed. Then you can accurately adjust current IR, and validate with a central click. Toggle the joystick on the left to exit the unlocked mode. In this menu, you can find all the settings to adjust the energy trip unit protection. To modify one of these settings, activate the unlock button using a pen tip. The panel is switched to unlocked mode, and you can adjust the settings with the joystick. Settings become active after a last central click on the unlocked mode.